Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a text intro using Vivacut Pro. This is so simple, so just follow me guys. Create a new project, choose the template that you can download, link in the description. And this is the preview of template we're gonna edit. In this position I'm gonna add text. And name it text intro. In this option you can type your channel name or your gaming channel. And extend to the end the text intro. Now, to enlarge the text intro, just drag the little cross arrow or use your 2 finger. If you think the position of the text you put is okay, let's add some text effects. Just select the first VFX option in blue, and just press until the VFX effects reach the end. Now let's apply masking effects. Find the mask icon and select radial. Use your 2 fingers again to zoom out. And press the small plus icon, and when you see the negative icon, move it slowly. And enlarge the radial masking. And that's it. You have now intro that you can add to your videos. You can render in a good quality video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.